Check out this 2019 Mercedes AMG that we've got in today for a dent repair in the driver front door. This one here was damaged by an electric scooter falling over in the customer's garage. The handlebars are what hit the door and caused this large dent. This dent consists of multiple areas that we have to work with. Here you can see the large buckle below the dent, the body contour line that we will have to rebuild, and the main sharp dent. We're going to use this factory weep hole in the bottom of the door, which is going to gain us access to repair it. Once we're all said and done here, we give it a quick buff and polish to remove any scuffing or marks from our tools, which gives us a really nice finished end result, which you can see here where the dent is completely gone. There's no traces of it. We didn't drill any holes. Again, we used that factory access point and achieved a flawless finish for our customer. If you have dents or dings similar to this video here, give us a call at 970-292-6817.